Hey everyone, welcome back to All Auto Services. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that can drive you crazy: temperature imbalance in your car's HVAC system. We'll walk you through the steps to diagnose the problem and get your car's heating and cooling working again. Let's start by verifying the problem. Make sure the temperature control is set to a consistent setting on both sides. Check the air filter to ensure it's clean and not clogged. Inspect the HVAC system. Take a look at the HVAC system and check for any visible signs of damage. Check the blend or issues it's opening or closing. Diagnose all the actuators. They should. Listen for unusual sounds or vibrations when adjusting the temperature control. Check the vacuum system if applicable if your vehicle has a vacuum-controlled system. Check the vacuum lines for any signs of damage or leaks. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on diagnosing temperature imbalance in your car's HVAC system. By following these steps, you should be able to identify the root cause of the problem and get your car's heating and cooling working properly again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.